We actually have the largest single inventory of stock shapes in the country and might be the world, for a variety of materials, for everything from your Delrins to your Vespels. Sometimes you don't even need a part. Sometimes you can describe an issue that you're having, and we can help step in, and we understand a little bit about the environment, and we'll go ahead and we'll give you a cost-effective alternative. My name is Ray Anderson. I'm with Boedeker Plastics. We supply raw materials and manufacture plastic components. We'll adapt either a part that was formerly metal, and we will convert it into plastic for weight, for cost, for other reasons, or we'll take a more expensive material and we'll qualify a less expensive material to help them achieve a cost objective. We're based out of Shiner, Texas. We supply customers around the world either with raw materials or finished parts. We do quite a bit of medical. We do larger diameter, up to 35 inches, and we service oil and gas markets, orthopedics, microelectronics, food and handling. We're in a variety of markets. So it all starts out as a stock shape. When you're not injection molding, when you can't afford to do the $25,000 mold to get that $5 part, they come to us. We help them spec out a size, we help them spec out a material, and then many times they ask us to machine the parts as well. Generally, some design engineers have some experience with plastics, but it might be something basic like a polyethylene or a Delrin, and they won't even recognize what these are. And then we'll start with a question about what the nature of the material is, and then usually it springs off to they had no idea that a plastic could do a temperature or could dissipate static like it does. And that's how we end up kind of educating each other. They educate us on their business, and we educate them on what the market is. You may want to make this out of plate, you may want to make this out of rod. We're the people that you call because we're the ones that have both the rod and the plate, and we can help you understand what's the most cost-effective method. Some people are set up to machine, so in those cases we'll help them understand, okay, this is your virgin peak, and if they've never manufactured it before, we'll say this is how you run it, this is the tooling that you use, and if they run it and they're not happy with it, they can use us to make the part. What we find is most of the design engineers are very comfortable with metals in general when they're speccing out or doing a design, but many of them don't have the same comfort level with plastics. So what we do is we take an educational role, we help them understand what the market is, what materials will do, what they can count on, and what the upside is. So many products that go into plastics start out as an idea, a prototype, and a proof of concept. And I think when people look at the cost involved in the injection molding, you know, the upfront mold costs where they still may want to make design changes down the line, they're stuck. So what we do is we help them get to that level. So if it's a product that eventually will be $10,000 a month, they want to work with us to help them get over that hump. So we do it with stock shapes. We help them machine, or we sell them the materials. If you'd like any more information about stock shapes, exotic plastics, contact Boedeker.
See us and other quality suppliers at d2p.com.